So this is USA. USA de Santa Isabel. Napakalawak. Shh. Charing. These are flowers. These are marigolds. These are commonly found in Egypt. Charing lang, joke man lang. So this is cannabis. Charing. I am Torior. So this is the SVP building, or commonly called the Saint Vincent de Paul building. This is where the kindergarten, the grades 1 to 6, and the senior high are located. Okay. So this is our university clinic. Oo. Kaya po mag-vlog ng nakamask. Lintian. Mayo nga kaming mask.
Ito nga ning feeling na may makita.
True. Tapos tatawang ka lang ng ating ko. Sharing lang. So this is the VP development. Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose niyan. This is my car. The Toyota 301. So this is my car, red car. So this is the long tables.
Legit
Oo.
na long.
Legit siyang long. Dito nagpapanggap ang mga estudyanteng gumagawa. Hello, Miming. This is our vending machine shop. Minsan mahulog ka dyan, pero di ka man matatawan. Kinakan lang si barya mo. Ayun na to. Tapos this is the SEH building. So, Mother Siton building. Uy, hindi mo kasi Chacha. Tapos this is the Ozanam Hall. Ozanam Hall. Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose ng Ozanam Hall. Please observe. Social hall. May mga pangarang kasi yan. This is the comfort zone of the ladies and the gentlemen's restroom. Ha! Ano da? Tama ba? This is the colonnade of Hayastawi. Dito na tayo daan. So, dito yung... Ay, hello, Mimi! Pwede, wow. Hello, this is the basketball court. Basketball court. Dito, ito yung Castedville building. Ay, nagre-rebook na naman Sinda.